Job number 20367, Yarrowwood Condo Association. This is something that I'm looking at for Best Management Company. Debbie asked me to look at some asphalt repairs out here. So I've got an upper lot and a lower lot. The upper lot has its own entrance, and the lower lot has its own entrance as well. The lower lot is down on the, down this way, closer towards I-90. But got a couple patches here, and I'll have them all written down quantity-wise on a quantity sheet and saved to Google Drive. But we've got this one right here, which is an 8x3. We're gonna go 3-inch depth on everything. We've got another one right here that's a 4x4, the catch basin in the middle. A little bit of sinking, so we're gonna probably need a couple yards of gravel for this project. You got another patch right here that is a 12x6 right there, tree root damage. That is by building 6 unit 1. Building 6 unit 1. I'm going to try to give you building numbers and units to help out with this. I'll also write it down that way on Google Drive. This is building 1. All of these have their building numbers on them with units. I'll also give stall numbers too for reference. But I've got stall 148 here, which we've got a 16 foot by 3 foot, or excuse me, 16 foot by 2 foot in that location. Okay, take you over to some of the others that are just down the road here. We've got a let's see here, what did I mark this as? I marked this as a 2x2 in front of building 6. Unit 2, old 2x2. Probably could be just ground out, or grind it out a little bit and then patched in that little pothole. But I figured I'd measure up at least a good area. Make our way down here towards building. I think it's building 3, or is it building 2? It's building 2. So building 2, unit 1, we've got some iron right here where it's collapsed, and we've got ourselves a 5x2. Okay. Let's see here. Down here a little bit farther, we've got some other patches to do. Down along this. Right here at building 10 right here, I've got let's see here, this ends up being the heck is that measurement? Hold on. I just called this an 8x8. Even though I've got a little funky shape going on there, it's going to be an 8x8. And then there is stall number 230. Stall number 230 is a 7x7 right here. It's got tree root damage going at an angle. I've tried to mark out all these stalls. 228 over here has tree root damage in the middle. And 228 is a 5x4. As you go down this drive aisle, got some more tree root damage right here in the middle. And this is a 6x3. 6x3 right here. Okay. Moving up farther, we've got up here in the corner where that blue car is. Stall 217 and 218. Both stalls need to be taken out because there's tree root damage going sporadically through there. There's probably like 4 roots going in there. Okay, and this is underneath the carport. Okay. and continue on down the property here. Okay, so that's where stall number 230 was at building 9, and then this was 228. I was showing you from a distance. See tree root damage right in the middle. Okay, move on down the hill. All right, so and then you go down through building 44 here. Some more carports here. Stall number 238's got tree root damage underneath the carport, and that quantity, stall 238, is oh, I wrote it down wrong. I was like, gosh, I can't find it. 8x16 at 238. Okay. I think that's it down in this area. I'll take you down to the lower level now, or not the lower level, but the back side of this upper level. Okay, and then down here at building 36, we've got just a tiny little pothole right there at the bottom. I squared it off. Just a little 12 by 12 inch. 12 inch by 12 inch at building 36. Okay, and then I believe that is it for this level. Yeah, that's it for down here. So let me take you to the lower lot. Okay, so at building 11, stall number 19, I've got it marked in this corner to replace a 14 by 6 right there. 14 by 6. It's kind of sinking a little bit. Then you get down here to building 12. Building 12 has a 10 by 6. Right here, it's a 10 by 6. You've got sinking right here, and you got sinking right over here. So I marked it, you can see my marks there. 10 by 6. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's right. Stall 19 was a 14 by 6. And then this stall 63 is it's a 10 by 7. 10 by 7. Okay. And then we make our way down here towards building 15 in the back. I'll show you that repair here in just a second. Okay, so building 15 right here, we've got a 6 by 3. It's just starting to crumble a little bit. Alright, then we'll make our way around the corner to building 32. Okay, at building 24 here, building 24, this whole drive aisle going up to the garage is bad. It's a 37 by 17, and then you also have 23 by 17. So this whole section all the way up to the door and down has tree root damage. So I marked it right there, right out in front of the carport. Take all this out, over to the corner, go up to that corner where the bush is, and then kind of make a straight shot across and up. And all of this, there's tree root damage going up by the gutter and over here. There's a couple different spots here with tree root damage, and you got 2 pieces of iron here. So those are the 2 dimensions on that. And I'll take you over to building 20.